Today, I am reporting that we have identified 28 new cases of COVID-19 in Alberta in the last 24 hours. This brings the total number of cases to 1,451. Of these, 592 people have recovered. This is 74 more than yesterday. We suspect that 192 total cases of our total cases may be as a result of community transmission. We have completed 1,333 COVID tests over the last 24 hours. We have also had an increase in people accessing our assessment centers since we expanded the testing criteria yesterday, so I anticipate that our testing numbers will increase over the coming days. Sadly, I must report an additional 3 deaths from COVID-19. A woman in her 80s in Calgary zone, a man in his 70s in Edmonton zone, and a woman in her 60s in Calgary zone. I want to offer my sincere condolences to the family and friends of these individuals. One of these deaths was linked to a continuing care outbreak in Calgary, highlighting yet again how important it is to protect people in these facilities from being exposed. We now have 151 cases of COVID-19 in staff and residents of continuing care facilities. Earlier this week, we tightened rules on visitors to these facilities to help protect residents from COVID-19. I know it is difficult to no longer be able to visit loved ones who reside in these facilities, but this measure was necessary to keep everyone safe. I encourage Albertans to look for other ways they can still stay in touch with friends and family who may reside in these facilities. As we head into the long weekend, I hope we can all look at what we can do individually to protect ourselves and those around us. If you are feeling ill in any way, stay home. Practice physical distancing whenever you're out in public. Continue to practice good hygiene by frequently washing your hands with soap and water. These measures, small as they may seem, may mean the difference between life and death for someone. There are some early signs that we are making a difference. For instance, over the last few weeks, we have seen a significant drop in the number of confirmed influenza cases. While we would expect a slow reduction at this time of year, the drop over the last 2 weeks has been dramatic, while testing numbers have stayed relatively the same. This is a promising sign that our measures are working, but we cannot lose sight of our goal. This weekend and the weeks ahead will be a difficult test for all of us who normally come together to celebrate the holidays.